What's up, Sweathearts? Welcome to our stretch song of Girls Like You by Maroon 5 featuring Cardi B. Let's get started. Just like all of our stretch songs, we're going to start with a nice inhale up, knees bend, knees over the toes, inhale up, exhale, arms come all the way down. We're going to go shoulders, elbows, arms. Shoulders roll back, elbows roll back, arms roll back. You have a little more time for the arm one. Again, inhale up, exhale down. We go shoulders, elbows, and arms. So we're going to take the hands, we're going to push out as we come into a plie, and we're going to round the back. So it looks like this. We push, we round the back here, and then we're going to stretch up high, and then open the arms. So as we come through, round the back, nice and tall the arms, and open. Left hand comes up and over. We're going to get a nice stretch over to the side, and then opposite side. Right arm comes up and over as we stretch to the left and open and gather it together. Let's see that facing the front. We go. Inhale. Exhale down. Shoulders, elbows, and arms. Take your time. Again, inhale up. Exhale out. Shoulders, elbows, and arms. We push, we round the back out as we plie. Head goes as well. Arms come up and arms open. Left hand over the head, stretch to the right. And reverse, right arm stretches over the left. Bring it back and gather that right foot again. So don't worry too much about the counts during the stretching part. You can feel the rhythm for all those movements. But really once we get to the chorus, then we actually have a little bit of a dance, and we're going to learn that now. So we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, step, cross, back, back, side, side. I'm going to show the feet first, and then we'll add the arms. Then the other side. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, step. And step together. Steps forward. Cross, back, back, hip, hip, side to side. Wait, wait. Okay, so there's a nice little bounce to this rhythm. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, step, cross, back, back, pa, pa. Now the arms are elbow, elbow, throw, elbow, elbow, throw, elbow, elbow, throw. That hand comes around the head as we step. 1, 2, 3, 4, pa, pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Girl like you, yeah, yeah. And we're pointing out, yeah, yeah. We'll do it slow, and then I'll do it up to tempo. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, step, 5, 6, point, yeah, yeah. Great, now the chorus up to tempo. It goes to the right first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, step, 5, 6, 7, yeah, yeah. Great, next section we're going to take it up to the mirror, and we're going to be driving our car. First, nice and smooth. Up, 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 and up. Then we're going to get super cool, and we're going to turn the wheel with our palm as we go double, 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 double. So as we take it up, there's a bounce, but the feet stay planted. Bounce, 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 bounce. Then we go out, 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 out. Again, the first time with the hands. Bounce, 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 bounce. Drive it back with the palm, and out, out. Facing the front. We just finished the other side, which is 1, 2, 3, yeah, yeah, hit it. Hit, hit, with that bounce. Then we take it back, double foot, out, palm, turns the wheel, turn, and turn. Let's put that whole course together, facing the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ta, ta, take it back with the palm. The palm, 2 more. Ta, 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 ta. Great, next section for our stretch is our lunges. We're gonna take it out nice and open. We're gonna go over the right foot, drop the hands to the ground. Then we're gonna stretch the right lunge. The back leg is nice and stretched, and then the right arm is gonna come up towards the ceiling. We're gonna look up to it. And down. Again, not worrying about music as well counts. Just listen to the music, getting a nice long stretch, long back leg. This time left lunge, left arm goes up and down. Both knees, we're gonna go ahead and drop the shoulder, pushing out of the knees, get a nice stretch, drop the other shoulder, and we're gonna roll it up and bring it in to get ready for the chorus again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that stretch facing the front. So we just came back, out, out, 1 more, 7, 8. Arms open, we come over the right side, right knee over the right toe, then we change the direction, we lunge the right, lift the right arm up, and we look up to the ceiling, stretch those fingers, energy out, bring it down, walk it over to the other side. Again, left lunge this time, long back leg, stretch left arm up, look up, and bring it down, both knees open, drop that left shoulder, switch, drop the right, roll it up, and walk it in to get ready for the chorus again. Great, after our second chorus, we're bringing it back, and back. We're gonna bring it together, this is the third verse. Hands are gonna intertwine, we're gonna lift them up, palms out, up to the ceiling. We're gonna take a nice stretch over to the right side, and then over to the left, and center, release the hands. We're gonna grab that right foot first, get a nice stretch of the quad, opposition arm comes up, open to second, and lower. It's a little bit slower than this. Other side, grab that left foot, arm comes up, open to second, and lower. Then we're gonna have some stretches here. We're first gonna get a nice stretch of the shoulder here. We're gonna do a little sassy version of it. So, arm comes out, cross, hit, head, and then we hold. Cardi B comes to this point, so we're gonna get a little flavor there. Hold, 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 release, other side, up, cross, hit, head. And then we have little things that's spicy, and we're just gonna give a little spice there. You'll hear it in the music. So we just came through, we did both sides of the quad stretch, arms open, then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 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 release. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, hold, spice, sit up. Then we're gonna get the feet together, we're gonna bring that right hand behind, pull on that elbow, keep the chin up away from the chest, nice and spaced, and we're gonna have 6 nice stalls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, together 6, release, opposite hand, left arm, grab the elbow, pull, lift the chin, and we're gonna take it back for 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And then we have the chorus one more time. Ta, ta. And that's your stretch song. Let's dance it.